Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix if your App Store payment method is declined. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you and tell you in this video. So without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do is to check your payment information. So when Apple declines your payment method, the first thing to try is to check your payment information to ensure it is accurate and up to date. So if your billing details such as your address or zip code is incorrect, this can cause your payment method to be declined. So if your current payment method has expired, you must renew your credit card and update your payment information or add a new payment method. So to check your payment information on an iPhone and iPad, you can go ahead and follow these steps right here. So first, just go into your settings app and then tap on to the Apple ID name at the top of your settings, and then in there, just tap onto the payment and shipping. And under the payment methods, select your credit card and check your card number, the expiry date, the CVV, and the billing information. So if you notice any discrepancies, just update them, and after doing so, just tap the done in the bottom right corner of your screen. And then next, what you can do is you can try a different payment method. So if Apple still declines your payment method, you can try a different payment method. So you can add new card to your Apple ID and see if it works. So besides cards, you can try alternative payment methods like your Apple account balance, an Apple gift card, a debit card, PayPal, or Apple Pay, whatever you're using or whatever you have, depending on whether or not they are valid in your country or region. And then next, what you can do is you can sign out and sign back in. So sometimes a simple sign out is all that you need to fix payment issues on your device. So if your payment method is declined in the App Store, you can sign out and sign back in to see if it fixes the issue. So to sign out of the App Store on an iPhone or iPad, you can just go ahead and tap onto your App Store and tap onto your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. And then just scroll to the bottom of the account menu and tap the sign out section right there. And to sign back in, just tap onto the profile icon on the top of the App Store, just like what you did earlier. And then enter your Apple ID username and then your password. And then lastly, what you can do is to take care of the outstanding payments. So if your card or if your card may be declined in places like App Store or iTunes Store, if you have or your card may be declined in places like App Store or iTunes Store if you have outstanding payments. So to check for unpaid purchases, just view your App Store purchase history. So you can do the following to view your App Store purchases on an iPhone or iPad. You can go to your settings and then tap on to the Apple name, just like before, there on your settings, and then tap on to the media and purchases from the Apple ID settings menu and choose the view account. So you can now scroll down and tap onto the purchase history, and you may be required to sign in. So that's it for this video, and remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.